to another video. Today I'm doing spring cleaning. This is going to be a 3-part series just because I'm going to deep clean and it takes a long time. This turned into about an hour of cleaning and I got it down to I think about 17 minutes. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning up my living room and wiping down my sliding glass door in my living room also, because I don't give that much attention. And then we're going to be doing the kitchen and the staircase and my bedrooms and everything and all the part 2 and part 3 videos. But today I really wanted to focus on the living room because we spend the most time here. Really wanted to get down into the couch because I don't pull off those cushions that often at all. And I also wanted to pay attention to the end tables because I don't clean those almost never. I do like a quick wipe down if there's like a spill or something, but I don't really take everything off and wipe everything down thoroughly. So I'm really gonna focus on that. And then I'm gonna spray the carpet as well to give it a nice deep clean when I go over it with the vacuum. So we're going to be doing this today. As of today, I've been in quarantine for 19 days. So I definitely have lots of time on my hands. So let's go ahead and do some spring cleaning. To take off everything from the couch, the pillows, the cushions, and the blankets and everything like that, and I'm going to start disinfecting. I'm going to go over it with a vacuum. I'm going to wipe it down with some Lysol, get rid of any germs. I'm going to also spray disinfectant spray whenever I get done, and I'm going to vacuum the cushions and the pillows as well. I really want to focus on the couch. We spend so much time in our living room, and this is where we sit at, and we also eat in our living room as well if we don't use the dining room, so there's crumbs and everything. Just wanted to give our living room a nice, fresh, clean start for spring, so definitely paying lots of attention to our couch. During some parts, as I was cleaning the cushions and the pillows, my camera died twice, so I don't have a lot of footage of me vacuuming the cushions, and then it's also going to transition whenever I'm vacuuming the pillows, but I do have a good amount of footage I still wanted to keep in there. But sorry that happened. I did not know my camera died until I got done filming that specific clip that I was doing, so sorry about that, guys. But yeah, you'll see me just vacuuming and going over my cushions and the pillows, just getting rid of anything that's on there, and then I'm going to do a full vacuum of the entire couch when I put all the cushions back on. Now moving on to the carpet, I'm just spraying some Resolve. I like to spray this on the carpet to give it a nice disinfectant and a deep clean. So after I spray that, I'm going to go ahead and go over with the vacuum. I know you're supposed to wait, but I do like to vacuum sometimes when the carpet is a little damp, just because I feel like it's getting more dirt up. I don't know if that's true, but I like to vacuum over as it's a little bit damp. I didn't spray that much to make it too wet, but just a little bit damp. And yeah, so I'm just going to go over that with the vacuum. By this point, I was so incredibly exhausted from cleaning that sectional of ours. So I started getting really tired here, but I'm moving on to our glass door. And sorry about our back patio. We have lots of chairs and everything. Me and my husband have yet to get out there and organize and set up how we want. We are going to be getting new cushions for all the chairs and everything to make it look really nice out there. But you know, at the time being, we're in quarantine, so that's like at the bottom of the list. But yeah, so you guys are gonna see a little bit of a mess, sorry. So yeah, I'm just going to wipe down our glass door with some window cleaner, and then I'm going to move on to our entertainment center. Finally, I'm moving on to our entertainment center. This is a DIY project that I did not finish in the past. I tend to redo the entire thing. I want to cut off those bars, do a proper shelf unit in there, because right now I just have it sitting on foam boards, and redo like the knobs and everything and repaint it in a different color. But for the time being, it's working for us. Like I said, being in quarantine, not really going out anywhere unless it's for an emergency. So to get paint and everything, like hardware, that stuff can wait. So yeah, sorry that it looks kind of like done, not done. But I'm just going to be cleaning this because I don't really wipe down the drawers and everything like that and wipe down in there. I usually just clean the top, and I'm also going to be going over our TV as well. But that's going to go ahead and end the video after I do that. So don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video. I do lots of cleaning videos, and I'm going to start doing some lifestyle videos here and there. I am so thankful for everyone who watches me and who's recently subscribed and who's been subscribed for so long. I'm so happy that I have you guys. And yeah, don't forget to comment as well, any video suggestions, or if you just want to comment on the video. So yeah, I like talking with you guys also. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.